Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another exciting video. Today I am going to share 5 DIY ideas made of bamboo sticks and popsicles. Quite beautiful and easy as well. Hope you will like them. So before starting the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of my newly uploaded video. So let's start with our first DIY, for which we need bamboo sticks. I am cutting them in half. The length of these sticks is approx 8 inches. Join these 4 pieces in square shape. I am using hot glue. Now at the corners, paste full length sticks and join them together at the top with hot glue. It would be more clear in video. Now taking half sticks again and pasting them on the lower part of pyramid. You can take somebody's help here and join them together at the bottom. Our pendant is ready. Now I am pasting some artificial leaves and flowers at the above part. Our beautiful DIY hanging is ready. These are looking awesome. You can decorate it in balcony or anywhere else. Another way to use them is to use it as pendant light. It will just look awesome in balcony. I hope you like this DIY, guys. For our next DIY, I have taken an oil bottle. You can take any mineral water bottle as well. Cut it to make it a vase. I am cutting bamboo sticks as per the size of the bottle, but I have not measured it. I am doing it randomly. Paste them on the bottle with hot glue. Random size of sticks will give it a beautiful and unique look. Our beautiful vase is ready. Add some flowers of your choice. It's just looking amazing and adorable. Our next DIY is made up of popsicles. Place them in order. Paste the stick horizontally to paste them together. Fix some sticks at the back side as well to bind them together. Now I am pasting sticks to make the roof. This is the old curtain ring which I am pasting here in the center. Now cut the word home on glitter sheet. Pasting some paper flowers and leaves. This bird you can get from the craft store. The link of these flowers I will provide in the description below. Paste a black sheet to cover the roof part. Paste the initials here. Paste a thread to hang it. Our beautiful home entrance decor is ready without much cost and efforts. But the final reveal is just awesome. Hope you guys would like it. Move to our fourth DIY. Arrange the popsicles in the same way. Stick them together by pasting the popsicles horizontally. Paste few sticks at the back side as well to hold the sticks firmly. Now adorn it with handmade flowers and leaves. The description of these flowers I will provide in the description. Paste the initials cut out of glitter sheet. Paste the thread to hang it. Our beautiful DIY decor is ready in no time and no cost. I hope guys you would have liked it. Please let me know in the comment section. Our fifth and last DIY is very cute and made of waste totally. This is the cap of shaving foam. You can take any other cap also. Cut the bamboo sticks as per the size of the cap and paste them with the help of hot glue on the cap. Add some flowers and final reveal is just awesome. This DIY is quite easy and going to look superb. So guys, I hope you would have liked all the DIYs. I really put a lot of efforts in finalizing and making these videos. Pendant decor is my favorite. Please comment the section below which one is your favorite. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more fun DIYs. In the next video I am going to share some ideas of making floating shelves. So till then, take care, be crafty and bye bye.